The political science major is a broad major attempting to educate students in the perspective of government.
It's the study of politics in general, which is looking at government structure, how people get elected.
To build a foundation for being a more informed citizen, a more influential citizen.
Political science is, in fact, the study of human beings and the way that they organize power.
The reason I joined the political science program is because I have a lot of questions, and generally I had a lot of questions about politics.
Really unique advantage for students in that they are able to develop closer relationships with faculty.
We're always just in the same classes, just all the time. It's probably like 13 people.
Education majors take some of our classes. Our architecture majors take one of our classes. So we try to, in terms of our scheduling, make sure we're serving as many different student body elements as possible.
They get you thinking about a subject in a way that will drive you to continue thinking about it past it.
Like one-on-one between the student and the professor, learning different things, and which really helps you with your career.
Since we are political scientists, we can't avoid discussing controversial topics.
There's a lot you can get out of just going and looking and seeing like what the political engagement project is working on, or other stuff in regards to kind of getting more than just the class experience.
We want to build on bringing the community more into the campus and integrating it even more so.
We will frequently partner with other organizations around campus, varying from the Shoah Project, the Jim Crow Museum, to other student organizations like student government, who might be interested in bringing a speaker onto campus.
And when our students are able to interact with the community in positive ways that are structured through our courses, in terms of like service learning projects, it just it encourages and builds up the whole community.
Political science major is all about networking, because as it turns out, harnessing the power of people is exactly what our study is all about. We have done something we're calling our Inspiration Series, in which we're bringing on people like Dr. Rob Davidson, who's recently become a national figure, to talk about his experience going from someone who was completely not involved in the realm of politics to someone who is now deeply involved in the realm of politics.
Just getting to meet those people and ask them questions, I think, is a decent networking opportunity.
Since we are all so close, we are able to like use each other's resources.
If one of our students comes up with a fantastic argument that, realistically refutes something that exists within the literature, our intention is for them to run with that. Great, you've got a good point. Follow up on it, get the data, do the research, and make something of that.
I would definitely recommend it to people who are interested in getting a deeper knowledge of politics.
As far as people who are interested in the major itself, I advise them to sit down with their advisor first and take a look at how it fits in with their plan moving forward.
Any career in political science is probably going to be ultimately really an interesting and rewarding career that's going to help your community.
I highly recommend individuals who are interested in this kind of study and want to gain that kind of power to, yes, sign up for the political science major.